In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email addresses of LinkedIn profiles. We'll walk through LinkedIn's built-in contact info panel, which is the official place where people can choose to share their email address. Keep in mind, you'll only see details that the profile owner has made visible to you, and availability can depend on your connection level. Start on the LinkedIn feed. Open your account by signing in so you have full access to profile details. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to look up the person whose email you're trying to find. You can type their name, company, or job title to narrow your results. When the results load, select the profile you want to view to open their page. On the profile, look for the contact info link. It's usually near the top of the page, close to the headline and action buttons like message or more. Click contact info to open a small window or panel. This panel is where LinkedIn gathers a person's shared details. Here you may see their LinkedIn profile URL, any websites they've added, social links, and if they've chosen to share it with your level of connection, their email address. If you see an email address here, that's the information the person has decided to make available so you can reference it for appropriate professional outreach. If you don't see an email, that typically means the user hasn't shared it publicly or it's restricted to closer connections. In that case, you can return to the profile and continue reviewing the visible sections. But remember that the contact info panel is the primary place where an email will appear if it's available. If you didn't spot the contact info link at first glance, scroll to the top of the profile and check again near the introduction card. On some layouts, the link is easy to miss, so clicking contact info a second time can help if you've navigated away or opened another section. If you're viewing more than one person, repeat the same process on each profile. Open the profile, click contact info, and review the details provided. That's all there is to it. By signing in, searching for the right profile, selecting it, and opening contact info, you can quickly see whether the person has shared an email address. Always respect privacy settings, use this information for legitimate professional purposes, and follow LinkedIn's terms. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward LinkedIn tips and tutorials.